Back to Sunny Life Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again, the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and today I talk about Skeem Saam, guys. Yo, abantu kudala ke belindile le moment le. Kunesinye isisho sesipedi noma ngengikwazi ukusisho kahle because ngumZulu and yabo, but sithi kuhlongha usabola. Guys, namhlanje yabona the definition of saying the world crashing down on you, the world crashing down on you, but it ended in tears. Basho ke relationship kaMapitsi kanye ke no DJ Thomas. Guys, ngiyazi ukuthi you've been waiting for this moment ever since lo mjolo uqalile nithi kanti ubanjwani. Finally ke guys, finally shame yabona ke la akukho ukuphika, akukho ukujikela emva kwendlu, but nje usebanjiwe uMapitsi. Namhlanje guys, niyazi ukuthi bathanda ukuthi mangabe be offline or be off air, yeah, be off air, bakhuluma indaba zabo lapha phakathi e-studio uMapitsi kanye ke no DJ Thomas. So namhlanje they did the very same thing, but ke uKamo this time wathi yazini, I'm going to turn them on air, bakhulume emakhaya, everyone is listening. And guys, guess what? Mamezala matswala high, matswale wa high, bamezala wakhe ulalele, and she was like, hibo uthini umfazi womntanami ngwetshiya kayiring. Usho utshela ke uDJ Thomas, umtshela ukuthi ngiyakuthanda, hey wathini. Guys, I was so disappointed with Mapitsi. I thought ukuthi after cishe banjwa Monday she was gonna leave that life behind and tell uLukhunjani uDJ Thomas ukuthi yazini asiyeke lento but uyena who keeps on, you know, following the guy. Uzomtshela ukuthi impilo yahayi yabetha mangabe mbona. No guys, she deserve it as much as it's painful, but she deserve what is coming to her uMapitsi, guys. So uzotshela lento ndoda ukuthi uyayithanda ke abantu belalele emakhaya, balalele bakaQunutu, balalele o Elizabeth, balalele o Principal Thobakgale, ifamily yasemzini wakhe la, everyone is listening to her. Etshela lento ndoda ukuthi uyayithanda. Yo guys, it's so painful. It's so painful. It ended in tears. It coming. But ke uThibosike yena guys uzofuna ukuyiphindiselela. Asazi because unalesithunya munhu le, so ngiyanahana hore mhlawumbe uzomdubula this guy. I don't know, but one thing for sure, they're gonna be fired from lapha emsebenzini. Umsebenzi uphelile. I don't know ngoke ngoMapitsi guys uzokwenzakalani ukuthi umuzi wakhe uzoqhubeka kahle no Thibos noma it's over. We don't know, but yo hayya kuyashisa kushushu now, impilo yahayi ayisabethabethi manje, kubad, kubi, kurough. So guys, abanye bathi ke imithandazo kaSisibheda ke iphenduliwe ke fast, very fast. So ke guys, we're looking forward to see how will the story unfold. Uzoza ne-future Mapitsi, like yo, but usazoba ihlayo, usazothukwa abantu behlangana, usazomthuka. Angazi ukuthi ke umemezelo wakho uzomenze njani, angazi uzokwenzani make, guys. I don't know because akamthandisisi vele. So nje I know yo kunzima namhlanje. Please don't miss this episode. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. I'm back to